What is influencing you? What is influencing you? So when you are going outside, most people are not reminding you about Allah, the love of Allah, the journey that you are walking towards. They want to sell you phones, they want to sell you laptops, they want to sell you different products, different services, different vacations. So have you made consistent or conscious effort to surround yourself so that your phone, your TV, your computer, different people around you will remind you about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the importance of the love with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the importance and seriousness about life after death. So this is something that we should make conscious effort for. Do I have consistent reminders that are coming to me either by attending classes, attending circles of knowledge, or by using my phone and social media? Then the next thing is the friends that you hang out with, right? And the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us that a man will be upon the religion, upon the way of his close friends, and that we will be gathered on the day of resurrection with the people that we love. So who are the people that we truly love? Are these people connecting us towards the path of Allah, to the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or are turning us away from it? So that's a conscious choice that we can make, right? Who do we hang out with? Who influences us?